Let's talk about how we can measure weight. Now, just like we were measuring length, there's two different ways we can measure weight. We've got the U.S. customary way and the metric way. We're going to focus on the U.S. customary way, which is ounces, pounds, and tons. So when you hear of an ounce, I want you to think of strawberries. A strawberry is about 1 ounce, okay? So something very, very light. So an ounce, think of strawberries. When you think of a pound, I want you to think of the weight of a pineapple, okay? Something a little heavier. We measure the weight of babies in pounds. When you go to the doctor, they measure you in pounds, okay? So when you think of pounds, or when you hear pounds, I want you to think of pineapples, pounds and pineapples. Now a ton. When you hear tons, I want you to think of a small car. Not like a big, huge, massive truck or a school bus, but a small, small car, okay? So a small car is about the weight of a ton. So in these three things, an ounce is for much lighter objects, a pound is for in-between objects, and a ton is for much, much heavier objects. So measuring weight in the U.S. customary way, we have ounces, pounds, and then we have tons. Let's discuss some of the things that we can measure using ounces, pounds, and tons. Well, an ounce, very light objects. Let's say a handful of paper clips, maybe a few pencils, maybe a book you're reading, if it's a picture book, okay? Pounds. What if you wanted to weigh your bike? See how heavy your bike is? If you had a couple of dictionaries or larger books, you could weigh those in pounds. Let's say we've got a rolling cart coming down the hall, a rolling cart, or Mrs. Stalkov's chair. Those are all things we would weigh with pounds. Now a ton. Let's say you have a bulldozer. Okay, that would be a few tons, wouldn't it? An airplane. Measure that with tons. Okay, any piece of machinery. Okay, so you can see the difference in the things that you would measure using ounces, pounds, and tons.